Welcome to our GPU battle. Today we are pitting the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070 OC against the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. Both of these graphics cards promise high performance for gaming, but they come with different features, architectures, and price points. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one comes out on top in our comparison. When it comes to performance, the XFX Quicksilver RX 9070 OC is designed for high refresh rate 4K gaming, utilizing its powerful RDNA 4 architecture and robust cooling system. In contrast, the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 Ti, with its Blackwell architecture, offers impressive 8K gaming capabilities, making it a versatile choice for future-proofing your gaming setup. Both cards feature 16 GB of VRAM, but their performance characteristics vary significantly based on their architecture and cooling solutions. Price is a crucial factor in any GPU decision. The XFX Quicksilver RX 9070 OC comes at a premium price of $619, reflecting its high-end features and performance. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 Ti is priced at a more budget-friendly $429, making it an attractive option for gamers looking for value without sacrificing too much performance. This price difference may influence your choice depending on your budget and gaming needs. Cooling solutions play a vital role in maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The XFX Quicksilver RX 9070 OC features a robust QICK triple fan cooling system, ensuring optimal thermal management even under heavy loads. In contrast, the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 Ti utilizes a lighter WindForce cooling system, which, while efficient, may not handle prolonged high-performance gaming as effectively. This difference could impact thermal performance and longevity during extended gaming sessions. In conclusion, both the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070 OC and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti offer unique advantages depending on your gaming preferences and budget. The RX 9070 OC excels in high refresh rate 4K gaming and cooling efficiency, while the RTX 5060 Ti provides excellent value with its 8K capabilities and lower price. Be sure to consider what matters most to you in a graphics card. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming